Hey guys, let's talk about the H88 timestamp update. This is a body camera. As you can see, I have it working. And then there's the time and date here, which is the timestamp, okay? So let me just put something in front of the camera so you see better. There we go, okay? Because this timestamp here is white. So with something in front of the camera, you see better the date and time just right there. If you want to change this, to remove or to update the date, you just need to first connect the camera to the app, and then you're gonna have access here to this menu, right? And from here, you see Time Watermark. You can toggle to disable this one, and then you're not gonna see here anymore. Just put this again here. It's not there anymore. See, you just disable the timestamp or the date and time. Okay, if you wanna change it, and manually, if it's not syncing with your cell phone for some reason, then you can just change a file. Because if you just come here to the menu, there is no way to change it. So here you can just disable the timestamp from here, the watermark, but there's no way to change the information. So you just need to turn the camera off and change a file. Let me just do this. So I come here with the camera, and I just press here and hold to turn it off. There we go. And I can remove the card, and then I can find the file to change. Okay, I'm gonna use my computer here. So I have a laptop. You can use any computer, Windows or Mac, as long as you can edit the video. I mean the file. Just insert it here. Then I come here and look for this time file. Okay, that's in the card. I double click here, and I can change the information just right here. See, there's the date. Just need to change it. There's also the time, and then N or Y. If you change here to Y, for example, you can just keep the information for the timestamp, and you're good to go. And here 3 means the camera is going to record for 3 minutes and then start a new file. Then you save this, and the camera will just get the information from there. So super simple, okay? Basically, that's the way you can change the timestamp or date and time here on your H88 camera. I hope that helps. Leave your comments here, subscribe to this channel, give me a thumbs up, and I see you in the next video.